In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar view to better suit your personal needs. Whether you're planning your day, organizing your week, or even looking at the bigger picture with a yearly overview, adjusting the view in Google Calendar can make managing your time a lot easier and more efficient. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. You can easily do this by typing Google Calendar into the search bar and hitting Enter, or by bookmarking its page for quicker access next time. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find an icon that looks like a small gear. This is the Settings icon, and clicking on it will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings to navigate to the main Settings page. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look at the list of options displayed on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the option named View Options. It's under this section that you'll find various settings related to how your calendar is displayed. As you explore the content in the View Options area, you'll soon come across a setting labeled either Default View or Custom View. These are pivotal for ensuring your calendar displays precisely as you want it when it first loads. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several alternatives, including day, week, month, year, schedule, or even a custom number of days that you prefer. The day, week, and month views are quite standard for regular organization, but if your planning involves detailed scheduling, the schedule view could be incredibly useful, as it lists events in a neat, linear format. Meanwhile, a custom view allows a more detailed number of days, offering flexibility in planning for a short or extended period without being constrained to traditional calendar blocks. Once you've made your selection, there's no need to look for a Save button since Google Calendar conveniently saves your setting changes automatically. You can breathe easy knowing that the next time you open your calendar, it will display in your chosen view without any extra effort on your part. This not only saves time, but ensures that each visit to your calendar is tailored to your unique organizational style. And that's it. With these easy steps, your Google Calendar is now set up to open in the view that makes the most sense for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this adjustment as helpful and enhancing in your productivity as many others have. Until next time, happy scheduling!